All right, so I got this massive care package in from Brooks, and I wanted to show you guys what we got. Shout out to Peter over there who like reached out on Instagram and said, "Yo, I'm gonna send you out a package." So I much appreciated, man. I have no idea what he sent. He literally didn't tell me anything, so I figured I'd open it for you guys over on YouTube. Long form for the win, man. Sometimes we could do the short form. I'm a long form channel, and it's hard for me to adjust. And I enjoy doing I enjoy doing a lot of long form. Yo, he sent so many pairs. There's 4 pairs in here. Peace, James. Comfort and style. You're going to love these. The new Adrenaline GTS 10 colorways. What? Is it seriously? Oh my heavens! You gotta be kidding me. Yo. Okay. This is crazy. So, Adrenaline GTS 10, well, you guys already know I've reviewed them on this channel. Love the shoe. Love what it represents. It's like a retro pair that has an upgrade in them with the midsole. What? This colorway is crazy. So this is a new colorway, and check out the pink midsole, but it's kind of like a infused pink midsole. It looks crazy. DNA tuned. Okay, that's fire. And then there's an all black colorway, aka the referee specials right here. Those are fire. And then we have this one's crazy too. It's like a Neapolitan kind of colorway, kind of like an ice cream colorway right here, like tannish and hits of pink and darker brown and cream. Another really nice colorway. And then, is this the OG one or one of the OG ones? It looks like, I thought, but maybe not. This is a different colorway. This is the white and blue colorway of the GTS. Honestly, if you haven't seen my review of these, you gotta go check it out. But I decided I'm gonna give away one of these pairs for you guys. Basically, just leave a comment, any comment at all, but include the hashtag Brooks GTS. And that's pretty much it. Just leave a comment, and I will pick some random comments and give like 1 or 2 pairs of these away for you guys. And then I'll post the winners on X and Twitter and stuff. So anyway, appreciate the opportunity to be able to give these to you guys. It's pretty awesome to be able to get. I can't believe you sent 4 pairs of these over. Peter, what are you doing, man? Thank you so much. If you guys didn't see, I did a review of these, the Glycerin 23s already. I absolutely love that shoe. But I like what Brooks is doing this year. Care package or not, the fact that they're releasing such cool things from the running perspective, but also from the kind of lifestyle segment. And the thing that I really like about what they're doing is the fact that they are making comfortable pairs of sneakers. And this is one of those shoes that makes a big difference when you're wearing them, because the midsole is actually really comfortable. So it has DNA tuned in this midsole, as you can see here, and it is very soft to the touch, and it's snappy, and it's like performance oriented. So you have like truly performance foam in a retro pair, bringing it like light years ahead of where the previous pair was at, the regular Brooks GTS 10. So currently the Adrenaline line is on the GTS 25, which is crazy. So this is a 15-year retro that they brought back with truly like unique characteristics with this midsole. For those that don't know, they do fit true to size. So I got a 9.5 in all of these, and I think that's fantastic. They fit great. And just for fun, here's my other pair that I bought when these came out. Now, some of the colorways come and they go on their website. So these are all new colorways, he said. But this is a colorway that I bought originally and reviewed, and I think it's fantastic. It's a really, really solid pair. I think out of all of these, man, I really like this colorway. I think this colorway is crazy. With the pinkish hue to it, with the silver and the little black accents with orange and stuff, this colorway I think pops like crazy. I actually really like this ice cream colorway too. I think this one looks really fire. And this is going to be a nice one that's going to kind of translate to the fall time as well. The blue colorway is also pretty nice. Obviously, this is one of those ones that will look better with fits on. And then the black colorway, I mean, triple black. I'm still a fan of like pretty much all sneakers triple black. So a couple of things about the GTS 10 that you should know about. Obviously, it's a mesh runner, mesh upper on here. The shoe is like 15 years old. It originally came out in like 2009, 2010. And the updated midsole is crazy. So it's DNA tuned midsole. It is a 10 heel toe drop. So it is actually larger than we get in most sneakers nowadays, but it's kind of true to the original form with the exception of obviously the updated, softer, more resilient, more responsive foam. The other thing that's really interesting is this is not marketed as a running sneaker in 2026. They have other pairs on the market for running specifically. This is actually a lifestyle sneaker, and I like that they brought this back in the capacity that they did. This is really like a pair that can compete with like the Nike Vomero 5s. That's been a really strong contender from Nike's side of things for a long time now, but this pair is much more comfortable because of the updated midsole. I've been mentioning this for a while now, but the marriage of like a retro runner with the new updated like foam technology is crazy. I love it. And it's a great way to modernize pairs that were retros and bring them into the 2026 era or whatever era it is in. I mean, it just makes the shoe that much more comfortable, which makes it more desirable and more wearable, in my opinion, to people like myself. But I like that you have the style and the look of something that was created years ago. So these 4 colorways are available over on Brooks, and I will link them in the description of the video, and I will also pin a comment to be able to cop them. But which colorway do you guys like the best out of all of these 4 new colorways that they sent over? Big shout out again to Brooks for sending all of these over. They're so good. It really is truly a comfortable pair of sneakers, and one that I think a lot of people are going to enjoy. I love the look of this. Can't wait to see more of this type of innovation in the future with a mix of retro and future. It looks really good. But anyways, thanks for stopping in and watching. Appreciate y'all, and hopefully we'll see you back on the channel for some more content. All right, see you guys.